Are you worried about your child's safety on Instagram? Let us help you take control. With our assistance, you can monitor who they talk to, limit their screen time, and ensure they only see appropriate content. I'm Emily from Online Help Guide, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to put parental controls on Instagram. Let's get right into it. First, open Instagram. Go to your profile by tapping on the icon at the bottom right. Then, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Scroll down. Tap on Supervision. Here, you can search the account of your teen, or share the link to them and it will help you have the control over their activities on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.